Today we will be discussing some of the recent news surrounding NIO stock. Make sure to give us a like, and subscribe to the channel for more stock updates like today. Also, Webull is giving 2 free stocks, valued all the way up to $1,600, only after you deposit $100 on the platform. Use the link down in the description, to get your 2 free stocks, and now let's begin with our video. Just 4 weeks ago, JP Morgan raised their NIO price target from $14 to $40. Representing an 85% upside at that time. JP Morgan has once again raised the NIO stock price target from $40 to $46. We can expect that other Wall Street firms will continue to increase their price target on the stock, and other firms will join in. NIO announced the opening of its 159th battery swap station in China in Yueqing, Zhejiang Province. This is Yueqing's first battery swap station, with a black armor theme. China has been actively promoting battery swap infrastructure construction, and NIO is accelerating its deployment. As of September 2020, NIO has a total of 155 battery swap stations. Miao Wei, Minister of Industry and Information Technology, has proposed that China will continue to increase the charging battery swap infrastructure construction, encouraging interoperability of various types of charging battery swap facilities. This will deeply help companies that are expanding their battery swap technology until they turn them into a revenue source. Short sellers for NIO lost $155 million on November 3, bringing their cumulative losses this year to $2.66 billion. As of November 3, when NIO surged by 7%, NIO short interest stood at $2.35 billion with 77 million shares shorted, accounting for 7% of NIO's floating shares. That was higher than the low levels of the recent past but was down sharply from that of December last year when 224 million shares were shorted, accounting for 25% of floating shares. NIO shares continued to surge and caused short sellers even more losses. You would think that these short sellers have learned a thing or two from Tesla, but it seems to not be the case. In the view of Chinese investment bank SIC, although their valuations have gone into no man's land, the short-term trend is still strongly driven by positive data. We see that with strong deliveries, news about global expansion, and new vehicles coming out that NIO will only continue to grow. NIO has been on fire, rising 93% over the past month and 936% year to date. The stock traded an average of 283 million shares each day last week. There are just over 1 billion shares outstanding. The entire market value of NIO changed hands and then some this past week. For comparison, it takes Tesla stock about 13 days to trade an amount equal to the entire shares outstanding, and it is a heavily traded stock. It is important to watch closely what is going on with NIO stock, and to also diversify your holding to protect yourself from pullbacks in the sector. EV technology is the future. There will be a lot of winners and losers. Tesla has the first mover advantage over the other EV companies, and that is not always a good thing, but in Tesla's case it worked well. There will be other winners in this EV wave, and there will probably be a pullback in NIO stock in the future. If the stock goes up too quickly, it is inevitable that they will experience a pullback. I remain confident for the future of this stock, and I think that in the long term NIO stock will steadily go up. Make sure to give us a like, and subscribe to the channel for more stock updates like today. Also, Webull is giving 2 free stocks, valued all the way up to $1,600, only after you deposit $100 on the platform. Use the link down in the description, to get your 2 free stocks, and we will see you in the next video.